Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Zealsound microphone. We will begin by identifying the core components essential for building your own functional microphone. Then, we will walk through the physical assembly, showing you how to correctly connect each part. Finally, we will cover initial testing procedures and offer practical tips for optimizing your microphone's performance, ensuring clear audio. First, gather your essential parts. You will need a high-quality microphone capsule, ideally a 25mm condenser type for clear sound capture. Secure a small perf board, roughly 2 by 3 inches, to house your circuit. Acquire various resistors, typically 100 to 1000 ohms, and small capacitors, like 10 microfarads. Don't forget an operational amplifier, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a robust enclosure to protect your electronics. Start by soldering the microphone capsule to the designated pads on your perf board, ensuring firm connections. Then, carefully add the resistors and capacitors, following your chosen circuit diagram precisely. Integrate the operational amplifier, paying close attention to its pin configuration to avoid damage. Once the circuit is complete, connect the 3.5mm audio jack. Finally, secure your assembled circuit neatly inside your chosen enclosure, making sure it is well protected. Once assembled, connect your microphone using the 3.5mm jack to an audio interface or directly to your computer's input. Double-check that all connections are secure and that the proper input device is selected in your system settings. Open a simple recording application, such as Audacity, and perform a brief test recording. Speak clearly into the microphone from a distance of about 6 inches, then play back the recording, listening for clear, consistent audio without static or distortion. If you encounter issues like no sound, carefully re-examine your solder joints for cold connections or short circuits. For persistent static or hum, verify your grounding and ensure the enclosure offers adequate shielding against electromagnetic interference. To optimize performance, experiment with microphone positioning. Keeping it about 6 inches from your mouth often yields the best results. Additionally, consider using a foam windscreen or a pop filter to minimize harsh breath sounds and plosives, significantly improving your audio quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.